offers many opportunities, from traditional stocks, bonds, and real estate to cryptocurrencies. Let's explore together something still emerging as an asset class, and that is the world of fine wine investing and why it might be worth considering adding to your own portfolio. Fine wine, like fine art, ages gracefully, maintaining its value even in turbulent times. It resists inflation as decreasing supply meets rising prices, creating a shield that can counter its impact. Another dimension to consider is that the thirst for fine wine investing is a worldwide phenomenon, from Asia to Europe, and this reduces the risk of a market collapse as demand is distributed geographically and it's still growing. In fact, market growth is projected at 5.5% per year until 2030. Then the question becomes, how does it behave relative to other asset classes? The answer is quite simple. Fine wine has historically shown a very low correlation with traditional financial or TradFi markets. There are no panic sellers in the wine market, there's no leverage, and there are no margin calls. A few investors I know like to research only one or two asset classes until they become real experts at understanding them, and when they believe the time is right, they go all in. However, the great majority of investors prefer an approach of diversification. It is generally safer and provides good returns over the long run. In that scenario, blending fine wine as an asset class with traditional investments to create a balanced and resilient portfolio is ideal. We actually have a simulator on our homepage where you can backtest how adding fine wine assets would have helped reduce the volatility of a portfolio while consistently delivering robust returns. So, while it's not without risk, rare wines can deliver good and steady returns with low volatility over a time horizon of 7 to 10 years. In fact, over 2 decades, the annual volatility of fine wine is very low at 4%. Wine investors know that fine wine is not a traditional investment. It's also an enjoyable experience. You let your fine wine appreciate both in value and in complexity, and one day you choose to sell it or to consume it. You're in the driver's seat at all times. At Vinesia, we help structure fine wine as an asset class by leveraging blockchain technology. We bring transparency, a secure ecosystem for your assets, and enhanced market liquidity. There's a quote I particularly like which summarizes why investing in wine is simple and lower risk than other assets. So here it goes. Buying shares in a company is risky. Management can fail, reputations can be damaged, and competitors can disrupt its entire business model. Wine, on the other hand, is blissfully simple. Once bottled and reviewed by critics, you already know enough to significantly minimize your risk.